guys, welcome back to Struggle Beauty. Yes, Struggle Beauty, your daily source in all things beauty. No, I'm just kidding. Only like a weekly source of some things beauty. So what do we have here? I purchased some YouTuber products from fellow YouTuber Natural85. She came out with a hair care line and also she has some merch and I decided to partake. I'm kind of excited because what's in this box, which actually is kind of small. I'm surprised that as much as I remember purchasing fits in this box, but I'm gonna find out exactly what's in here. I am excited about this product because it is hair care focused, like first and foremost, and then she has some cute accessories, which I did purchase. All right, so what's in this box? I think I purchased, if I remember correctly, an oil. There was also like a hair cream, and then she had like a hair wrap and a visor. So I think there were 4 things listed on her site. It's been a while since I did watch her promotional video. I think that video came out in October or November 2018 and her products just shipped. So there are a few reviews out there already, but I'm here to give my own, share my first impressions with you guys about this product, and also show off the merchandise that I did buy and kind of talk about the quality, etc. You know, the standard stuff. Let's get into it. I have my box, guys, and it says do not open because I wanted to make sure that I did not open before we unbox this on camera. So now we're gonna do this. Okay, we're gonna take our little knife situation and we are going to cut open this box. So live, right? Yes. All right. So this is the contents of the box. It's very compact, so I kind of expected it to be a little bigger for what I remember ordering, but you know, I'm also a fan of small packaging. Like, I don't like excess, so it's not bad per se. Let's just like get into it and see like what we have going on here. The first thing is we have some, I guess, like promo cards from the woman herself, Whitney White, Natural85. And this is cute. Talks a little bit more about the products. And then she has like, you know, some promo stuff for, I guess, I don't know, this lollipop? I'm not 100% sure. It's cute nonetheless, no shade. But okay, so we got 2, I think these are the wraps that I bought. So we'll open those up. Then the visor, which is kind of small. I have a big head. I'm not sure about this, but we will see. And then of course, the 2 biggest things that I think anyone who watches her channel is familiar with. And that is the 2 products that are meant for your hair. These are, I think, the center of the empire that she's forming. This is like a multi-oil situation. And this is like a curl cream, elongating curl cream. Let's save these for last. Let's go into this first. All right, so let's clear this unnecessary stuff off the table and let's open these up. We'll start with what's right in front of me, and this is the visor. Now, like I said earlier, I'm kind of concerned just because this is small and my head is big. So I don't know about this. It's a little disappointing because it is kind of cute. And look at her little, like, her little channel, like, name. But yeah, so this is a visor and it appears to be a little stretchy, but even just the brim seems kind of not like, I don't know. It's been a long time since I wore a visor. I do feel like this is not the size for my head though. It's got the company name on the side. It appears to be like a stretchy kind of spandex material. It definitely seems like something that would help keep you from being too hot, like around your hairline, but I'm not sure if it absorbs any moisture. It doesn't feel to me like it would. I think for a lot of women, they are going to wet their hair in some fashion, whether with like a spray or like coming straight out of the shower, in order for their hair to be like curly, right? Her whole channel situation is about natural curly hair. And so probably if you're like me, you're going to need to moisten your hair before you go out for the day, unless you've had it like braided and then you had a braid out and then you took it out. So if your hair is wet and then you put this on and you like go do some errands, I don't know if this is going to absorb. That's something that would be interesting to find out, but it is cute. I like the concept of a visor. It's different than a hat, obviously. And I feel like, you know, people haven't really been giving visors like enough attention since the 90s. I really do feel like they had their peak in the 90s and then no one's talking about them. And she's like low-key bringing it back. So I'll give her props for that. Here's the visor. This is basically a hair wrap, and I don't remember how it was supposed to like look, like how you're supposed to wrap it. First, let me get it out of the plastic. All right, so this is essentially just a cloth, a fairly large cut. I think it's a square cloth. And so this means you're going to have to wrap up your hair using your own kind of method for doing like scarf wraps, like on your head. I have always been pretty horrible with wrapping my head. Like I, one, don't like to do it, so I often don't. And my hair is always getting messed up from it. Like any new hairstyle, like any new hairstyle is like trashed by like day 2 because I'm not wrapping it, period, or I'm not wrapping it well and like it slid off in the night and I just like, my hair is like But the other thing is like I've just never mastered doing cute head wraps. It was a goal. It was a 2017 goal. I remember it distinctly because I did go on a cruise and I bought a bunch of like things like this. And I thought, I'm going to be on this cruise hella cute with my hair wrapped all up in the like Caribbean and shit, and didn't do it one time. I tried to watch some YouTube videos. I tried to ask my friends to do it for me. Like no one would help me out. It was just a thing. And then also ended up being like the worst cruise like of my entire, actually the worst travel experience of my entire life. But that's a different video. Sorry, we're going down a rabbit hole. This is cute. Don't get me wrong, but I'm not sure how I'm going to like put this on my head and have it be like usable. So I'm going to have to look up some tutorials. So I'm going to go to her site. Like right now, I'm going to go to her YouTube channel and like see what she's done. I'm sure she has to have like a tutorial or something online to show you how to use these products. So let's check that out real quick.
Look at it! It's so cute! Ah! It's a humongous head wrap. 35 inches. It's a square. So you can do so much with this head wrap.
Okay, girl, show us.
The design is so cute. That's super affordable for a humongous, sturdy head wrap. That's super chic. So again,
I don't think she's like folding it up. 4 minutes of that, and she didn't show us how to use it. So let's do a Google search. I just honestly I don't know how to tie these things. I'm looking for sis to like help me out. This is what I think is on the site where I purchased this. I remember seeing this image and it looks really nice. I just don't know how to do it. I think that it would have been cool that if she, especially by now, since it's been a few months since that video dropped, if she had some like tutorials on how to use her products or like her modeling the products, that would have been cool. So that's a little bit of a missed opportunity there. But what I will say is compared to the other wraps that I already own, which I don't use, I agree with her. The material is very thick. I assume it would be very heavy on your head. This is very light, so maybe that won't be the case. So I could see that this would probably perform as she described. But unfortunately, I don't know how to wear this. I don't know how to do this stuff. Hey guys, I want to tell you to check out my newest video on my gaming channel, Brilliant X Cuts. I post new videos once a week on Wednesdays, and we do a lot of cool shit related to gaming, which I can't wait to show you. Make sure you check out those live streams on Sundays. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, ring the bell for notifications, and pop on over to BXC and show me some love ×2. Don't be a baby. Can't wait to see you there. Let's go to her product line. All right, so let's get into the main things that her company is going to be known for, which is her hair care products. Examining the packaging, it is a large package, 16.1 fluid ounces. It's a cute bottle. I love the like light coral, whatever you would consider this. And then this is oil. I don't use a lot of oil normally. I honestly just purchased it to support the brand. I do like that the applicator is a pointed one, so you'll be able to kind of get in between your hairstyle, whether it's braids or whatever, and apply some oil to your scalp, that's good. I can see getting some use out of this. This, I don't know. I'm not really going to be able to to use this because I just got my hair braided. This is the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream with shea butter plus natural oils for long-lasting definition, which is great because I do wear my hair out when it's not in braids and it's curly. I never straighten my hair unless I'm getting my hair in braids. So this has no sulfites, parabens, mineral oils, which I didn't know mineral oils was a bad thing, but apparently it is because it's not in here. No formaldehydes and no phthalates. I don't know how to pronounce that word. There's a lot of letters that don't make sense without like a vowel in between them in the start of this word. So I think it's phthalates. This is a little message from her. Manageability on lock. Ooh. I hope you enjoy this lightweight elongating style cream designed to make your hair more manageable, reducing tangles and knots. Enjoy all the benefits of nourishing shea butter and your favorite nutrient-rich oils without the greasy residue of your hair being weighed down. Perfect for twist outs and wash and goes. I hope this helps. XO. Whitney Natural 85. Tells you that you're supposed to use as little or as much as you'd like. Massage the styling cream into wet or dry hair, one section at a time, and style as desired. So obviously there's not a lot there by way of like any kind of instruction. It's telling you can use it wet or dry hair, little or a lot, one section at a time, and then style as desired. And then you're gonna combine this with your favorite leave-in conditioner because the line doesn't yet offer one. But I believe that is something she is working on. So what I can tell you about this cream is how it smells, looks, and feels, but I won't be able to tell you how it functions because I'm just not able to. Starting right off the bat, upon opening this, I did kind of expect it to have like a safety seal kind of thing. It didn't. I don't know what those cost. Perhaps it was, just something that was out of range for a new line, but I do think it should have had like a safety seal. It just would have been cool to have one, but it doesn't, and that's all right. The smell is, it's not, her products are supposed to be scent free, but she does use products that naturally have a scent like cocoa and like shea. And I kind of get that scent. Now the texture is, it's like a thick texture, and I definitely smell the cocoa and shea butter, like ingredients. It's very thick, so I think that will make for like a nice cream when used. It's kind of unfortunate though, because I think that this, I don't know if she's going to come out with like a general cream moisturizer. This is meant specifically to utilize for the purposes of like a twist, like elongating it. Well, it's a twist elongating style cream, so it's meant to help you with your style. It would have been cool if like you had no agenda, like if you didn't want to style your hair and this was just a moisturizer. I don't really get the impression that this will do anything for you there, but it's very thick, and that's why I think it would have been cool if there was just a little more flexibility to it. It wasn't just a styling cream. Instead, it was just a cream that you could use to style your hair or moisturize your hair. So that is this. The oil. I just washed my hands before this, before we like turned on the film. So my hands are a little dry, probably a little bit ashy. So this is a product that can be used on your skin as well as like in your hair. So I'll be able to test this and give you guys my feedback on it. But this is a multi-use pure oil blend. This detangles, softens, and seals. It includes baobab. I don't know. That is, we'll put the word on the screen. Baobab oil and argan oil plus vitamin E. So she says, this detangles, softens, and seals. I hope you enjoy this lightweight, non-greasy, nutrient-rich blend of my favorite natural hair and body oils. Curated to help soften, detangle, seal, and lock the moisture into your hair strands while offering multiple beneficial vitamins and minerals. This lightweight oil works for many applications, helping to restore the health and manageability of your hair. I hope it helps. XO. Let's open this up and see how this oil, this combination of oil, performs. One thing I did notice is that for just having opened it, I could see that there is like a lot of fingerprints all over this bottle. This one you can't really tell because of what it is, but this one has a lot of fingerprints over it, and makes me doesn't make me feel very good. Like I don't like that kind of stuff. So I think maybe a little bit more attention into the preparation of her products. I think a little more care in the handling of the containers would go a long way. But still, like, no shade. I'm just being honest. I think that it would have been cool if this stuff would have come possibly just prepared a little bit better. Oh, that sounds so mean. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm just saying. So I'm going to take off the top, and this has what I was missing here. And I know why this sealant is here. It's because it's oil, and you just don't want this lid to like come off and then like get all over the place. So I know why they included it here. I think they should have also included it there. So let's go ahead and take this off, and let's see if I'm able to do it, because I just took off some acrylic nails. So my nails are very weak. All right. My nails like might as well be paper right now. So it is opened, and the scent is actually really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and pour some out. It's a thin oil, so as you saw, it kind of came out pretty easily. I know sometimes certain oils like castor oil are very thick and they don't come out easily at all. This is gonna come out easily. So I just applied the oil to one hand. My right hand is dry and my left hand is oiled. And you can see it's definitely oil. It's real oil, guys. I was able to, I think I took a little, it was like a lot, but I was able to spread it around both arms, and it does feel really nice. It smells really good. It smells really good. I like that there's a pointed applicator. I do wish that this was something that I could turn to close off as much access out of the tip. I don't feel comfortable like doing a scalp situation. I think that a lot of oil is going to come out if I turn this over. So in order to use this, I'm going to have to just do the traditional, put some on your finger and then just like work it into, your scalp or whatever. So my overall thoughts are, I love this. This is to be determined. This is really cute, and I'm kind of sad that I don't think this will fit over my head. And I also don't want to mess up like my makeup right now. So I don't really want to fight with this on camera. Maybe I'll struggle with it off cam and then include a picture in post or something. I'm not sure. But this is really cute. I will say that. The head wraps, I think they will perform as she has advertised. I don't know how to use these. I don't want to like say anything about these just because I don't know how to use them. So how can I really give a good review on this? What I can say is I wish she had promotional videos out that showed you how to use her products. I'm pretty sure she actually does have some for her hair care products, but also merch. Like you have merch, like put out some videos, like a lookbook, you modeling them. This especially, like this is a skill to like master how to like wrap your hair and shit. Like, so at least put out one of these, like a promo video showing people how to like wrap their hair with your own product. Overall, the price, I don't know. It depends on what you're used to using. I think over the last couple of years, I've been really stepping up the quality of products that I use on my body and the quality of food that I am eating for the most part. The price, I think for 2 of these, plus the visor, this cream, which is a big tub, and this oil was about $85, and I don't remember if I paid shipping or not. So these are both $16, and the rest I don't remember how much they cost. But so I don't know. Can you find some stuff out there cheaper? Yes, but I do think that this product line, if you're interested in purchasing things that are advertised to be high quality, that the price is on par with other quality high quality brands. Well, that's all for now. I hope you guys enjoyed. What do you guys think about what I've showed you today? Have you heard anything good or bad about these products? Have you used them yourself? What are your thoughts? Leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. All right, so that's all for now. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.
Perfect, just hold that. Great, cool.
Is this how you wear a head wrap? Yay, we recorded some shit.